morning! All day.
Boys, did you get in my tampons again? Mildred. What?
Hey.
Say hey. Say don't.
Oh! I'm okay. Hey, he's just trying to make a mess. That's what it is.
It's too cold. You can go outside tomorrow. It's too windy, honey.
Not too windy.
It's not.
It's not.
It's way too windy. You'll blow away. Ben's making a coffee. Worked hard today.
No! No!
Snow, yeah, it's snowing out. Clayton's eating fishies. And Eddie's taking a nap.
I just taking a nap. Okay.
Mommy's hair is a wackadood. What happened to your face? Scratches on your face?
No. Stop that, Daddy. Oh, that's snow. It's growing.
The snow's growing.
Yeah.
We are snowed in. Ben just finished doing the driveway. I'm going to attempt to make hamburgers, so I just wanted to show you how I was gonna make them. I'm gonna guess that you broil them. No clue. As you can tell, I'm not a very good cook, but I try. So I got that broiling at 400. I got the ground beef. And then I guess I'm gonna use half of that probably, because I don't see the boys really liking hamburgers. Got one egg. One little eggy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Got lettuce. I don't like cheese, but I'm sure Ben I want cheese. I'm gonna use garlic salt. I use this pan. It's like I don't know what kind of pan it is, but I usually use this when I'm making bacon or hamburgers. Starting to make the hamburgers. Here it is so far. I added the meat, added some of this. I added some garlic salt, and then 1 egg. And then I take this thing and I mix it around here. Don't forget to grease your pan, guys. I don't know how long to put them in for. I'm just gonna guess like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and just check them. Made them kind of thin. Here's my burgers that I made. I'm gonna stick it in the oven for about 15 minutes, see how they look. Homemade burgers is what's for dinner tonight.
Mommy, it's day. That's it, Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
No, that's it.
Once again, I made dinner. My kids don't like it, but lucky for them, it's a snow day, so we eat treats. Clay, do you like hamburgers? What do you like? Cookies and donuts. Hi guys, just an update. We just got finished dinner. The dog vomits all over the bottom of the stairs, and then of course I can't handle it, so I vomit too, and my kids are screaming, and all while a person is driving in this crazy snowstorm, and of course they get stranded right outside my house. So my husband's out there in a blizzard trying to unstuck these people. Look at these idiots stuck in snow drifts. Oh, it has to tell me twice to stay at home, guys. Nope, nope. No need to leave. You're bored and you're stuck inside because of the snow. I thought I would color. So I got this coloring book for Christmas, and I actually got this one right before Christmas, and they're really pretty. Yeah, I colored this page today. But it's just like a huge work of art. It's just crazy. So I got these markers. I actually get these at like Anthropologie, in Target, Urban Outfitters, Barnes and Nobles. They're really pretty. They're like adult coloring books.
I'm so proud of how hard you've been working at your whistling.
Ready to go again?
Whistling is a very tricky thing. It can take a long, long time to learn how to do it. But you'll learn right away. Everyone learns at home.
We always need to... How they travel around with their horses.
I say that. Well, we at least have a couple floors.
Where were they though? Checking on their horses?
Oh, what the hell are we doing? What?
Careful. If we change the liquor.